Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we are in series 1H. We are going to keep learning Kachin-Jinghpaw language in English with the scriptures which illustrate the attributes of God. I am Miss Bokraglatkla, freelance language teacher. Thanks for your kind subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Easy Learning Kachin Language. Yawng pe ngwi pyaw kham ja ngau ga nguna shkram da da ngai the rao matut na Jinghpaw ga the English ga phe Ndai series 1H ko matut na kaja la ga. We are going to learn the word justice with this scripture. Justice in Kachin-Jinghpaw tăra dingai. God of justice in Kachin-Jinghpaw tăra dingai Karai Kasang. I'm going to read the scripture, Isaiah chapter 30, verse 18. Therefore, the Lord will wait, that he may be gracious to you, and therefore he will be exalted, that he may have mercy on you. For the Lord is a God of justice. Blessed are those who wait for him. Now I'm going to read the Kachin Bible. Esaia laika dogba sumshi dogji shimasat. Righty mong nante pe jeju mit maduna madu Yehovah Allah nga ai. Nante pe masandum namadu shi galugaba nga ai. Kaning right me lo Yehovah go tăra dingai Karai Kasang rai nga ai. Shi pe Allah nga ai ni Yawng alu ma ai. Okay, let's learn every part of the scripture. Isaiah chapter 30, verse 18. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Esaia laika dogba sumshi dogji shimasat 30 sumshi 18 shimasat. Therefore, the Lord will wait. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Yehovah Allah nga ai. The Lord, Yehovah Madu, Karai Kasang. Wait, Allah I, la dingda I, la do I, will wait, Allah nga I. I will read the part of the scripture again. Therefore, the Lord will wait, Yehovah Allah nga I. That he may be gracious to you. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, nante pe jeju mit maduna madu. To you, meaning is nante pe. That he may be gracious. Jeju mit maduna madu. I will read the scripture again. That he may be gracious to you. Nante pe jeju mit maduna madu. And therefore he will be exalted, that he may have mercy on you. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, nante pe masandum namatu shiglugba nga ai. That he may have mercy on you. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, nante pe masandum namatu. He will be exalted, shiglugba nga ai. I will read the scripture again. And therefore he will be exalted, that he may have mercy on you. Nante pe masandum namatu shiglugba nga ai. For the Lord is a God of justice. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, ganingrai me lo Yehovah go tăra dingai Karai Kasang rai nga ai. For meaning is ganingrai me lo. Justice, tăra ding I, tăra rab ra I lam, God of justice, tăra ding I Karai Kasang. I'm going to read the scripture again. For the Lord is a God of justice. Kaning rai me lo Yehovah go tăra ding I Karai Kasang rai nga I. Blessed are those who wait for him. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, she pe alanga ni Yawng alu ma ai. Him, she pe wait for alanga ai, langa ai, la ding da nga ai. Or ni Yawng. All those who wait for him, she pe alanga ai ni Yawng. Blessed are aluma ai. I'm going to read the scripture again. Blessed are those who wait for him. She pe alanga ai ni Yawng aluma ai. Let's read the scripture together again. Isaiah chapter 30 verse 18. Therefore the Lord will wait, that he may be gracious to you, and therefore he will be exalted, that he may have mercy on you. For the Lord is a God of justice. Blessed are those who wait for him. Esaia laika dogba sumshi dogji shimasat. Righty mo nante pe jeju mit maduna madu Yehovah Allah nga ai. Nante pe masandum namadu shi glugaba nga ai. Ganing right me lo Yehovah go tăra dingai Karai Kasang rai nga ai. Shi pe Allah nga ai ni Yawng alu ma ai. Thanks for joining this learning program. I hope you enjoy the series. May God bless you. Please do join next series. Right, Jijugba said, Yo nga nsa, Karai Kasang shmanya uga.